Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Panasonic brand 8 kg front loader washing machine. This machine having error message E10 having problem with the while within few minutes after selecting any option within few minutes it's showing E10 error message. Water also not taking to the machine. Because of that, now I'm going to troubleshoot the problem and we have to exactly troubleshoot the problem. What is the exactly problem? Now we will go to the next step and we will check. This E10 mean Panasonic washing machine related with the water supply. If it is water not coming from the water supply hose or inlet valve, inlet hose, at the same time also showing E10 error. Because of that, now we have to check properly water supply valve, water tap, everything. After that only we can recognize exactly problem, and we will check first the water supply, whether supplying to the water to the machine or not. After that we can identify what is the exact problem. I'm going to remove the water supply here, inlet hose, whether water supplying to the machine or not. You can see dear friends, water already supplying to the machine. Now we have to check the here filter. If it is filter also okay, you can see here filter also no any blockage. Now we have to check inlet valve only. We have to remove the top cover. After that we will remove the inlet valve. My inlet valve wire connection defect, otherwise inlet valve coil defect. Because of that, water not taken to the machine. Now we will remove the top cover and after that we will check the inlet valve. Now we can remove the top cover here. After removing back cover, back two screws. Now I already disconnect the power. Now we have to check here continuity. We will check first with the power, 230 power supplying to the inlet valve or not. Now we can check like that. This one we will check first. We have to select here 250. Now again I will give the power connection, and also we will check 15 minutes. I will select here. Select already rapid 15 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Now I can check here. Now we can check here 230 power supplying to the inlet valve or not. Still not came 230 power. Still not came actually 230 power. We will check other one also. Yes my dear, it's coming 230 power. You can see here. It's already coming 230. That's been problem with the inlet valve. You can see here 230 power already supplying to the inlet valve, but inlet valve not working. Because of that, now I will check again continuity here. You can see here. This one not showing my dear. You can see here it's not showing. But both are not showing. It should show. That means it's already gone. Now I have to replace the inlet valve. After that our problem will get resolved. We can resolve. I have to replace the inlet valve and we will check. Now I have to remove here. I will disconnect the power again. This is the inlet valve, it is defect already. Now we have to replace the inlet valve and we will check. Now I having one inlet valve, that one also 230 power, 230 to 40, and also 50-60 frequency, that's been hertz. Without any problem we can fix, but the problem it's not coming this mount. I have to remove this mount here. I can remove like that very easy. After that I can fix here easily. Now it's okay. Now I can remove this one. Two hose. Yes, I already removed. Now I'm going to fix this one. Now we will fix here. Now I can give the power connection also. Also I will give the water supply again. Now again I will check. I already given power connection. See here. Here already water coming to the machine now. You can see here. Now our problem already got resolved. Problem with the inlet valve. This one already got damaged. That's been defect. Both solenoid, both coils are not showing continuity, also not working. Because of that I already replaced this one. Now machine running well. That's been water taken to the machine. Now you can see here, the machine running well. Our problem already got resolved. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.